Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. All of these new releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. The color of the week will be available from Wednesday through Sunday, and the special pricing on the foil bundle will be available Wednesday through Sunday as well. So let's go ahead and flip on through these. Let's go through the color of the week first. This is the same glitter texture that I've done for the past couple of weeks. This is number 81, but I wanted to do a color that kind of matched lemongrass, and I think that this is a really fun match. So it's like a lime green color lemongrass from Plantahana. So this is again number 81, and this comes in the normal 13 sheets. A really pretty, like I said, lime green. It also has like other, like I love this texture because it has like kind of like other, like you see like the oranges and the whites in there mixed in as well to give it a little dimension. You could buy these a la carte, or you could buy the buy all bundle to save a couple bucks. And then there is also these scribblers, and these come in the normal 6 options, and these are available a la carte. So that is the color of the week. Then we actually have some new scribblers this week, and these are the next two like emotions. So this is number 52 and 53. So this one is kind of more mad. Let me zoom you in a smidge. Mad. And again, in the normal 6 options. And then we also have sad. Similar but different to 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have some new doodles this week, all of them being exclusive, some of them being requests. So we have a CVS bag. We have a stack of board games. Let me give you the zoomed in version. The Coke Zero, the baseball, Arc Nova, VHS tapes, hiking boots, sleeping mask, Squishmallows, and a pin trading backpack, or it could just be like a regular backpack that has like little Disney type things on it. And then we have 2 new characters this week. This is 94 and 95. So we have Zelda, which was a request, as well, or I guess, is that Link? I don't know the whole thing. And then also, this is a Game of Thrones character, but Candace just requested it because it would work for a lot of different fantasy. So cute. And that's 95. Then we have some grab bags this week. So we do have a bunch that released last week. A couple of them sold out, but I'll leave those in the new release section. We also have restocks of the 15mm strips. These have been sold out for a while, as well as a de-stash grab bag. And this is for Misfit mini kits. And you can tell they're Misfits because they have like a foil item with them instead of the freebie sheet. So this is just an example, and there will be 4, and then it'll be all bundled together. So this is Shark Party, the October 2021 Mystery, To Infinity and Beyond, and the March 2022 Mystery. So it could be mystery or regular in-shop kits. And again, those will be mini kits. They are Misfits, and they will be bundled together in a pack of 4. Then we have some a la carte foil for this week. It is the leaves full boxes. These are perfect if you want to do like a fall spread and just add this to a shimmer, confetti, sparkle foil bundle, stars even, and it would match perfectly and just blend in as a little touch of fall. This was a extra in the last mystery. So this is kind of made to purchase 2 of them. This would make a double box, or you could just like cut the corners however you want. And then you have 8 boxes there if you buy 2, or you could just buy 1 if you want a little bit of just a sprinkle. So it'll come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. So lots of different foil colors here to make your fall spread just the way you want it. Super cute, nice and minimal, but gives you the fall splash. Then speaking of fall, we do have a foil bundle for this week, and this is, I believe this is Bonfire. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure that this is Bonfire. It's a orange with like a slight hollow to it. That makes it like a light orange and a dark orange. It's super pretty. And this is in the confetti format, so it'll match literally anything. This would be so pretty with like a mixed metal combo with those leaves. But Bonfire was one that always sold out really fast. So this is the full boxes and headers, the bougie boxes, the scripts and icons, as well as the bottom washes. You could kind of see how it's not like a flat orange. It definitely has like a little bit of a shift in it. Super pretty. And this will be on special pricing of $9.95 from Wednesday through Sunday. And then let's get on to the kits. All of the kits this week are actually exclusive art. One's a reformat and 2 of them are new art. And I think y'all are going to be obsessed with the last 2, especially the last one is something that I've had so many requests for. There is something else that I have had a bazillion requests for, like the most requests for. Hike was one of the ones that I got so many requests for. And then I also got a lot of requests for one other thing that I was like, this is so random, but like have to do it. And that'll be releasing probably within the next like 2 or 3 weeks. And I'll let you know whenever that comes up. But this is a reformat of Movie Party. So this was a mystery from last year, very popular mystery from last year. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Lots of options when it comes to colors you can match this with. You could do silver, you could do gold, you could do matte bronze, matte silver, rose. I feel like you could do caramel from Planet Hannah, be really fun with it. An olive or green and navy color. So here are your full boxes. They didn't change too much. Love these colors. The green. So stinking pretty. These patterns are perfect. Perfect fall time kit. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the tall box. So that is the ultimate kit. Exclusive art. Won't find it anywhere else. And then there was also the mini kit, and then there is Doodle, Functional, Ombre, Label 2, as well as fam options. So the fam has the person eating pizza in the cozy sweater, the fam, as well as the hand holding the s'more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cute. Then we have, like I said, the 2 new exclusive arts. The first one being Aquarium, which kind of goes along with my animals sets. And this one is just as cute. I feel like it reminds me of the zoo kit, but it's specifically Aquarium. And you have like a dolphin, a little seal, stingray, turtle, the little tunnel you walk through in the front of the aquarium. There's lots of boxes in this. I even threw a box in here since there wasn't a lot of deco pieces. This is just like starfish, but I feel like this would be really cute for a quote. I love these colors for an aquarium, nice dark and blue. You have the seahorse and the penguin. The patterns, I went with just like a slight bubbling, and I think that's gonna be really cool for color blocking or not. But I think this would be really fun color blocked. And then this is like from like underneath you see the shark along with like little fishies, the water pattern for the bottom washi. And then there's more boxes here with the jellyfish and then just some regular old fishies there as well. So that is the aquarium kit. Again, exclusive art. And this one has so many boxes in it. I think technically I haven't ever done a full box, I don't think, in the deco. So this might be the kit with the most boxes ever, question mark. So that is the ultimate kit, the mini kit, and then you also have, if you want to add on the functional, the doodle, the label, and the ombre, and that is aquarium. And last but not least, we do have football. This has been so requested. We do have another football art that I might reformat because a lot of y'all loved that, but this is new football art, exclusive art, and I am obsessed with it. I'm not a big football gal, but I think I'm going to use this possibly the week of the Super Bowl, question mark. Just I think it's perfect, but I feel like it also does have like fall energy, so you could use it for like the start of football season. And it's just very, very, very cute. So you have 3 different scenes here. You have like a football cake. You have like all your supplies, your outfit, your drinks, and your little napkins there as well. I love these colors, and I just think it really works together. And this one is another one that I feel like you could do so many different foil colors. I think a black would also be really cool with this because black is not one of the main colors. So I think black or sparkly black could be really fun, or like the prismy black, or any black. I think that'd be really fun. Or you could even do like a no foil and just do black bougie boxes. Would be cool as well. I feel like Hannah should come out with more like football, like kind of like this underlays. Maybe I'll help her out with that one and do that because I think that'd be really fun. Let me know if you need that in the comments down below, like a little like that kind of pattern. I think it'd be so cute. But yeah, it's just perfect, perfect, perfect deco here. The colors, again, black is not the main color. I just thought it looked good on the side. I think black would be really fun foil to put with this. So you have some food here, the little trophy. I love the grass pattern. It's just so stinking cute. Very minimal patterns. Again, this one is kind of like a football, like leather pattern. I went back and forth on all of the different colors to do the Mod Moshi, and then I was like, you know what? I think this one would be really cool color blocked or not. And I think doing kind of like, I don't know what kit I did with it, but you put, like just turn this so that the colors match the like bottom, and I think that'd be really fun. And then do the color blocking, and then you have the football pattern on the bottom, the hands clanking, the beer, and then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is a fashion box, a tall fashion box, which you'll see there is more options for those if you want to add those on. But obsessed. I hope that y'all are too. Let me know if I should still reformat the old football art. It's like very green and black. Y'all remember that one? It was exclusive. Let me know in the comments down below. And then there is also the mini kit. And then let me show you the add-on options. So there is the functional, the doodle, the ombre label. And then there is also the label that's black. If you want to add that black color in, it would be very cool. And then there is also fashion 1 and fashion 2. So you have different fashion boxes here. And then all of the tall boxes are different. So you got lots and lots and lots of options if you want to add those on. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. A really fun release, all exclusive art, which we love, love, love to see. Again, we have football. Oopsies. We have aquarium. We have movie party, which is a reformat, like I said, of last year mystery. We also have the, I'm pretty sure this is bonfire. If anybody else has any different ideas, let me know. And then there's also the mini kit grab bag, the Misfits, the fall foil, the 15mm restock grab bags, the characters, the exclusive doodles, the 2 different scribblers, as well as the really fun lemongrass-esque color of the week. And that, my friends, is everything. This week I will also have the reveal, I believe probably on Friday, or no, maybe not, maybe it'll be actually next week, the reveal of the pop mystery, like the full reveal, even though if you watch last week's video you can see the full boxes, but we'll have that up soon. And I think that, my friends, is everything, and I will talk to you in my next video.